All right, where are we at, girl? What are we doing?
All right, so this is super exciting. We just got to the factory where our brand new Cyclone is being built. We're gonna be able to check out where it's at in the process, stand in it, look at it, maybe even autograph it, and oh my God.
We're getting a detailed tour from the GM of the factory.
Yes,
Like, this is gonna be an epic day
Dustin
right
himself is gonna walk us around and show us how it's all done and see how much heart and love is put into these things.
This doesn't even seem real, does it?
It doesn't seem real. Sky and Nixon and Ryder are all like, what?
One thing about Heartland is we've been known for innovation. Some of the most unique floor plans, the grill, when we did the side patio, the 4006. We've just done unique floor plans that no one has ever seen in the history of toy haulers. And our goal here is always to be innovating and doing the coolest stuff there is.
That's why we love.
That's
why we love the Sidewall.
Cyclone. You know?
All right, Sandy, what do you got right over here?
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
All right,
So our unit is one of these two right here, and that is just insane. What do you guys think about that?
Sky, what are you thinking? What are you thinking next? What are you thinking?
I'm super excited.
Super excited?
Right, what do you think? One of those is ours right there.
Right. Let's see. I'm not going to give it away. What do you think,
Show
Ryan?
them a tiny bit.
All right, so this is really crazy. You know, because when you have the idea and you know what you're gonna do and what you're gonna get, but when you actually see it, so yeah, guys.
There's a loft up there, guys. Ryder, see the
All
loft
right,
up there?
there's the loft. What? I'm getting butterflies, like major
Look at that
butterflies.
All right, guys, this is it right here. We got a little bathroom right here. This is where the kids are going to stay out of our bathroom. But how cool is this right here? Here's the kitchen that we just absolutely love. We fell in love with this kitchen. And look at all this living space right here. How amazing is this? There's going to be 3 couches in here and a massive entertainment system right here with a big 50-inch TV.
Can we put like a giant carpet in the back like that covers every inch?
Yeah.
It's gonna be pink.
Pink carpet?
No.
What do you want?
I want like the gray one.
The gray one?
It's so exciting and cool. I like cannot believe that we're like right here and like touching it.
All right, one thing that made us really want to go with the Cyclone is all this space over here. We looked at a lot of other units and some of them are missing a storage space, and that's really important when you live in these things full time, just having somewhere to put all your stuff. So look at all this storage space right here.
It's huge.
What's going on here?
All right, so we were looking at those, which were not really built up yet. But ours is actually way down the line, so it's gonna be way more built. So, oh my God.
So these basically come in as a raw frame, right? So when they come in, there's nothing on them, just that frame, no wheels, no tires, just a raw frame. What's really cool that I show people, and what's really neat to see, look how much this thing moves. And then once it's all together, it becomes this solid mass that just there's no movement.
Yeah.
It's one structure. So this is all that your whole RV is riding on when you start. So the floor is the structure, you know, the OSB, the plywood, the walls are a lot of the structure. So it's kind of crazy when you see it come in like this.
Yeah,
it's just this
absolutely
bare frame.
There's 3 water tanks in here for fresh water. It's 150 gallons. I think that triples or quadruples what we currently have.
We might be able to stay out a little bit longer with 150 gallons of fresh water.
Like a lot longer.
Remember how I showed you how the frame was? You take this wall, right, and you look at this wall that's 45 feet, and you go, man, this 45 foot, you know, is gonna go on my RV, and it's so wobbly like a piece of paper. But once it all ties in, it stiffens up the frame, and then this will stiffen up once they put the roof on, and then it just binds it all together. So back here, we'll do a 100-pound test on this thing. So we'll put air pressure on it, we'll blow this whole thing up, and we'll let it sit for 10 minutes with air pressure.
That's all the
And
lines?
then yep, all the water lines.
Oh, wow. All right, so right behind me here, this is a really cool part of the process. They build these things upside down. They're put on the axles and the tires right now. In a minute, they're gonna flip it all the way over.
Roll it!
All right, and just like that, the frame is done. That whole process took about 25 minutes to put on all the axles, the tires, all the tanks, everything that goes into this thing. So, man, talk about some efficiency.
So your wiring that's in the floor is all installed here, which is crazy. how much wire goes just in the floor on this. Now, what's neat about our stuff, and one of the things that Heartland's been doing for about 4 years, is we do Asdale sidewalls.
Yeah, I wanted to hear about that because
Yep.
this is something I'm really excited about is the Asdale siding, because we have some delamination in our RV, and I heard that this is like next level and maybe
This
delamination proof, right?
So we were one of the first guys to go full bore with this. It's more or less almost all plastic, fiberglass. It's a whole fiber buildup, and it's going to give you a better bond, and then it's waterproof also. So this could sit underwater for 20 years
Jeez Louise,
and it would
serious?
never pull apart. I'm serious.
Wow.
So this is huge for us.
All right, so what I love is that each spot is at a certain completion stage. This is the last stage of all this kind of stuff, and then it goes into
What's
the
over
walls.
there? What's over there?
The walls are on.
That looks like a whole different RV right there.
And now it's like, whoa, it's coming
Holy
together.
moly, that's crazy. All right, so once again, huge living room, beautiful C-shaped kitchen. And let's spin around here real quick. We got our entertainment center right here. We got some stairs over there going up to our bedroom.
I can't wait for the fireplace with the little
Ooh,
colors.
I forgot about the fireplace.
But walls are being installed through this area. You kind of go on the inside and start looking here. Cabinets are screwed into the wall. We're squaring everything up. Now all of a sudden this unit, you know, it's not nearly as wobbly,
yeah,
right?
wow, that's crazy.
It goes from that piece of paper to, you know, it's got some structure to
Yeah,
it now.
yeah.
So we're squaring walls up. We're running all the electrical that comes up, and the spaghetti works, as you can see over there.
All right, guys, is this ours?
Oh my gosh, look at this monstrosity right here.
What do you guys think?
Super cool.
Oh my god.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm gonna go get some markers, and then we're gonna have it. You guys can sign it. That way, from now on, you have a hidden spot. You know where your name's at somewhere in this
Yeah, what do you
so
guys
you can
think?
officially mark it. Okay.
That sounds
Guys, what do you
awesome.
think about that?
You guys check this out. I'm gonna go grab a couple markers.
You know, when you come here and see your rig getting built out, you almost have more of a connection to it because you get to see it develop. You get to see the baby grow. I think that's really cool just to see all the love and the heart that goes into making one of these things. Super cool. Smells like a new house in here. That's awesome. What's your first impression here?
It's so cool. I think I know where I'm gonna sign my name.
All right, Sandy, how you feeling right now standing in your brand new RV?
I can't
What's it
believe
feel
it.
like? That thing is
Seriously
absolutely crazy.
cannot.
This is the steps into what? Into what?
is,
Into
right?
what? Into our own bedroom. Let's check this out for a minute because we've been wanting our own bedroom for years, and now the ability to finally have it is amazing.
So right here is where the slide is gonna go, where our bed pushes out, and we're gonna have all of this space. That's what I loved about
Oh
this
my
master.
God.
Oh,
It's the shower where it has the two things on the bottom where it sprays
Oh.
out at you. Right! Guys, look!
I didn't
It
know.
has the thing where that
The body
Hi. Oh my.
Oh, Dustin got some big points.
Put it up there. You can do it in one of these
I'm gonna do
drawers
it in
behind the fireplace.
I'm gonna
Oh God, better.
I'm gonna sign my name on the RV.
All right. Yeah, move your camera a little bit.
Right.
Okay,
What you
Ryan.
got?
All right, Sky, is it your turn?
I'm gonna put your favorite sky.
This is so cool, guys. It's like when you plant the tree and you make a little mark.
Okay.
All right, what's your takeaway?
Your favorite sky.
Wendy's turn. She's going in the silverware drawer. All right, so we are trying something new here behind the oven, and nobody will know except us. All right. Well, okay.
All right, you gotta sign your name too.
Okay. Woo! We're gonna put our little smiley face at the end.
There we go, guys. Trying something new on the new RV.
It's official, it's ours. But everybody just sign their name somewhere discreet in the RV, so we'll always have for our memories. I can't believe this is actually happening right now. So this
Wait, are we
is
gonna
slide
have a
out.
balcony right here?
All right, we're going up to see how the roofs are put in right now. This is a whole nother point of view up here. That's crazy. Holy crap.
And then that's what they staple all these trusses to. Once they do that, then, you know, they're gonna put it together, and then they'll pick it up, and this will be your completed roof. So that's
So as they drop the roof on, they'll come over here, walk along it, screw it all down. I would imagine this would make it easier to drop all the wiring in where it needs to go. You know, you really can appreciate the size and how massive these things are. Jimmy, are you gonna be ready to pull this bad
This is
boy?
ours right here, this one.
Oh yeah, because the markers.
All right, so the thing that I think I'm most excited about is 3 AC units on top of these things. Let's go over here, walk on this catwalk real quick. But look at this, 1, 2, 3. A really cool thing too is they come with 300 watts of solar already installed in these things. Just can't wait to get out here and be living in the 21st century, because ours is a 1999, guys. So hopping up to a 2024 is definitely a massive upgrade. It's crazy to see all these components in here. They said it takes about 10 production days to go from start to finish to get this RVs all the way down the line.
She's my oldest.
How's it going? Nice to meet you.
So Dustin's girls are the reason, which we're so thankful, that he designed the entrance to the loft in the garage opposed to the kitchen. So give me a high five, girlfriend. Nice.
Good job. All right, here's all the Happy Jacks right here. We got some windows over here. We got some mattresses right here for the loft, some teddy bear mattresses. We got some mattresses for the master right here. We got the propane bottles.
So we really love all the floor plans that the Cyclone has. Really all of, like Heartland has so many. But I think the Cyclone for us was with the toy hauler and the kids room and all that. All the configurations of the kitchen, I'm really a fan of, because the kitchen is like a special place for me. I want to start cooking more, you know, so I need a good kitchen.
We got a little mini fridge for the outside. And this might be the massive tractor that they use right here to pull the RVs out of here.
Shh, I found the TVs. We're gonna be in a time warp, like an absolute time warp, which is hysterical because, you know, we're in a 1999. Everything's pretty much original besides what we did to customize it. And so there's no real electronics. There's really no electronics. So to go from that to everything is digital and quadruple the amount of space on this and the tanks and all that. And, state-of-the-art technology and Bluetooth door locks and whatnot, I just heard, which is awesome. Okay, well, we are here at the end of the production line, and right behind us we have the 4014, which is the McCorkle's RV family of nomads. So ours will be in this spot, which is the end of the line, next week sometime. And you see the exterior is going to be very different and unique to ours, because we got something special going on, and they are trying something new, and we are trying something new, and it's gonna be pretty spectacular, I have to say. So this is the garage and the toy hauler, and a lot of people use it for toys. We are using it for the kids' bedroom, where the girls are gonna have 2 queen beds that go up and down. And what's really cool about this, which I love, is it's a dual purpose. And so at night, we'll have the beds down, it'll be a bedroom. But in the morning, you put the beds up, and then it's like a living area, like where you put the desks and they can do their schoolwork there. We have this drop down patio, which is a whole nother room really, especially in an RV, that's like a big room. And we could set up some desks out there. So the living space that's gonna happen back here, in addition to the bedroom, is really what we are excited about, because it's dual purpose and you really you add so much more square footage onto it with this, and then how you can use the room in multiple ways. So for us, that's a huge score. For the kids, they are loving it, and to be able to sleep our first night in here, I can't even imagine.
All right, guys, we just wrapped up the Heartland Cyclone plant tour here. We got to see our RV in production. Got to sign it. Man, are you guys excited or
what? What are you guys feeling?
I'm very excited.
Me too.
The rider?
Yeah.
Are you
super
super
excited.
stoked, man? I can't
All
even
right,
imagine.
guys, this next journey, this next phase is going to be absolutely amazing. And I hope you guys are getting ready to
try something new! Woo!
So beyond excited, you can't even imagine.
So we're like,